this up and see what we can see. Now, none of this is sewed in, so it's not going to lay exactly right, but it's going to give you an idea of what the book will look like. If the signatures were actually sewn in, they would be, in here like this. This one, I still have a pin over here, which means I think I just need to get it out of there. Okay, all right. So this one was my boho patchwork, which I absolutely love. Isn't that gorgeous? It's put in here. It's got some old vintage laces on here. Just old gauzy fabrics. Okay, everything is done hand-stitched. The front of this one was one of my florals that I did. Again, everything hand-stitched. Isn't that different? One of my landscapes with just different fabrics and some different hand stitching all around in that. Okay. Then we have the front of this one, which is really a kaleidoscope of color. It's just really beautiful, colorful. This is a panorama, and it will go into the center because it's meant to open up as one panorama view across. Okay, little pocket here on this one. Landscape. Another floral. I believe that one is just beautiful, and I love